Hey everyone, Deep here. In this video, we are going to learn about that how can we calculate the wattage of our SMPS. That is, if you are building a new PC, you are thinking that what kind of wattage or what kind of power supply do you need for your PC. That always remains a question in your mind. Okay, so in this video, we are going to see that what kind of wattage we need for our particular PC build. For this, we need to go to Google Chrome and you just need to search SMPS calculator, and I am selecting this Cooler Master website, that is power supply calculator Cooler Master. Okay, so you can do this from your smartphone as well, or you can also do it from your PC. Now here you have to fill some requirements over here. Like, first you have to select the brand. So in this case I am selecting Intel. Okay, and the socket number I am giving over here is 1155. If you want to get some latest kind of socket number like LGA 1700, sorry, you can also include that over there as well. So the next one is the model of this CPU. So I am going with Core i3 3240 over here, right over here, 3240. Okay, and the motherboard I am selecting here is the form factor number 1. So the form factor will be micro ATX. I'm giving micro ATX. The GPU, that is, if you have a graphics card, then you can give it over here. In this case I'm not giving the graphics card, but I'm still giving it. Let's see, I'm still giving it. So I'm giving the NVIDIA graphics card, and I'm making a selection of like the basic one, like the GTX 650. I'm giving it over here, one, that is one quantity of graphics card. Now the RAM selection, I will do it with the memory module. I will go with 4 GB DDR3. That's fine, but you can go with 8 GB or 16 GB if you are building a gaming PC. And this is one quantity of RAM with 4 GB DDR3 size. I will also go with a SSD 120. I will go with 120 to 256 GB, one quantity, and the HDD will be around that 7200 RPM. So I will go with this basic hard disk, and the optical drive I'm going with let's say the DVD-RW. Okay, now the watt that you can see over here for this particular PC build will be 241 watts. Okay, so you can opt for 250 wattage or 200 wattage for your particular PC build. So hopefully this video was informative to you, and if this video was informative to you, so like this video, share with your friends, and if you are interested in computer contents, overall computer education, and also tips and tricks, then please subscribe to this channel and like this video. I will see you all again next time in another video. Till then, goodbye and take care.